Kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'm gonna be cooking. I like to cook. I cook Filipino foods. I'm gonna do my own spin on some Filipino foods. Today I'm gonna be making pork giniling. It's one of my favorites. Alright, for pork giniling, what I have for this one is that you start out with, you've got some black pepper, some salt, tomato sauce. You can do a whole can, but I like to do like a can and a half because I like tomato sauce on mine. Onion, a bag of peas and carrots, some potatoes, some oil, garlic, and your meat. It's supposed to be ground pork, but I couldn't find any, and I want to be healthier, so I got some ground turkey. So, ground pork, ground turkey. Alright, so you just chop up all the onions and the potatoes, and you can start. First, you add some oil. First, you add some sibuyas or some onions, you know. I like to do it first because the garlic will burn because it's super freaking mainit ng itong pan. Alright, now you add some garlic. The more the merrier. Give that a quick mix and let those saute for a little bit until they're all soft. After the onions and garlic have been in there for a little bit, go ahead and add your meat. Ground turkey, but ground pork is much more preferred. That's what it should be. Break up your meat all over in there. Haluin natin yung itong karne. Tapos i-add mo na asin or salt, tsaka pimenta or pepper. Let that cook down a little bit. So once your meat is all browned up, go ahead and add potatoes. Add your potatoes. Mix in the potatoes. The potatoes take the longest, so you need to add some water as well, just to make them cook down more. Something too big for the potatoes. Just let them cook and alright, let that simmer for just a bit. Alright, now that the potatoes have been cooking for a little bit, go ahead and add your peas and carrots. Mix in those bad boys. Alright, and let that sit for a little bit longer until they're all cooked. Alright, so once all your vegetables are soft, you can go ahead and add your tomato sauce. Like I said, you only really need one, what is this, 16-ounce can? 16-ounce can of tomato sauce. But I like it really saucy, so I add two. Well, I add one 16-ounce can. And one 8-ounce can. Just set up on tomato sauce talaga. And then you just mix in tomato sauce. Yun, ito ang pork giniling ko. Just serve it over some rice. And it's good to eat. Cheap, easy, fast meal. Especially for college kids like me.